would you look at that? What a mess. It's a constant battle. Well, I guess I'm going to jack this thing up and... Well, evidently, since I've never had the tire off this thing, since I've owned it for about 6 years, somebody's tried to fix this thing before, and they put some kind of... Look at them little cute disc brakes. Tried to fix this thing, but they didn't do a very good job of welding it. I can't tell if that's on a plate or what, but I'm gonna super do it with my welder and see if I can. Yeah, we'll see what it looks like here in a little bit. Yeah. Well, let's see if I can do a better job of welding than this last asshole that put this on here. Man, he was not very good. It's as close as I can get it drilled in. Here goes nothing. Well, it ain't pretty, but I think it'll hold. It was a bitch. Yeah, well, I guess the only thing to do is put the wheel on it and mow this jungle.